Welcome to Little Learner Land. Watch now and subscribe. Let's learn and play together.
Pick up toys one by one. Cleaning time is lots of fun. Put them here and
Let's put the
put
toys
them
away.
there.
Okay.
Singing songs
Let's
as
put
we
the
all
toys in the
share.
bins. This is fun. Red one here. Green one there.
Blocks and cars, books and bears. Everyone
Here, you can
shows
have
how
this one.
they care.
Oh, thank
Clean
you.
room
You're welcome.
shining big and bright. Feels so good, feels just right. Friends and family smile and say, great job done in every way. Work together, sing along. Cleaning up won't take long. Happy kids with happy play. Clean and tidy every day.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.